Good afternoon, my respectable teachers and my friends. My name is Shaw Sharma and I am from class 6th A. Today I am presenting some good facts about my home state, which I am belonging to Uttar Pradesh. So let's start. Uttar Pradesh is known for his rich culture and tradition. Second, in Uttar Pradesh, Dudhwa National Park is located in Lakhimpur Kheri. Third, Taj Mahal is the one of the new seven wonder in the world in Agra and also located in Uttar Pradesh. Fourth, Uttar Pradesh is largest wheat producing state in our country. Fifth, it is home to Ayodhya and Mathura of birthplace of Lord Ram and Lord Krishna and Bhagwan Pashuram respectively. Sixth, Sarojini Naidu is the first lady governor of Uttar Pradesh and India. Seventh, Banarsi Sari is famous in all over world. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good evening, ma'am and sir. My name is Shreya Ganesh Mante. I am in class 6th A. Today I am going to tell the interesting facts of Maharashtra. First, the Messy Roadway. Largest road network. Maharashtra has the largest road network in India. Second, have a swim in soda. It's the mysterious Lonar Lake. It's the only salary soda lake on earth that hit earth almost 52,000 years. No food for the right reason. The Dabbawales of Mumbai went on a streak for the first time 2011. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Anshika Singh Badaria of class 8th B. So I would like to tell you amazing facts on Gujarat. First, the capital of the Gujarat is Gandhinagar. The classical dance of Gujarat is Dandiya. Gujarat derived from Sanskrit. Gujar Rashtra, the Gujar National. Gujarat is known as Gujaratra country, ruled or protected by the Gujar or Gujar Bhumis, land of the Gujar for country prior to the Mughal period. Gujarat has the longest sea compared to another Indian state. The first capital of the Gujarat is Ahmedabad. The capital was moved Gandhinagar in 1970. Gandhinagar is the greenest capital city in whole Asia. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayushi Chand from class 8A. Going to tell some interesting facts of UP. UP's official language is Hindi. UP has 75 number of districts. UP has 4th rank of area. UP's first chief minister was Govind Vallabh Pant. Its first governor was Sarojini Naidu. Thank you.
Hello everybody, today I am Shraddha Tiwari of class 9th B going to tell you 10 interesting facts about my state, and my state is Uttar Pradesh. So let's begin. First, human settlement in state. The first recorded human settlement in Uttar Pradesh took place around 70 or 80,000 years ago. They lived as hunter and gatherers spread all across the state. Second point, birthplace of gods. The kingdom of Kosala, one of 16 Mahajanpadas, was located within the modern boundary of Uttar Pradesh. Ayodhya, the capital of Kosala, was the place where Lord Rama was born. Another Mahajanpada, Mathura, was the place where Lord Krishna was born, who played the key role in Hindu epic Mahabharata. Mathura is also within the boundary of Uttar Pradesh. Third, once home to powerful empires. Uttar Pradesh has been home to one of the most powerful empires of the country: Magad, Nand, Maurya, Kushan, Sunga, Mughals, etc. Fourth point, a tree from heaven. The Parijat tree is said to have been brought from heaven by Lord Krishna. The flower of this tree changed their color. Fifth, population over 200 million. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India with over 200 million population. It makes up 16.6% population of India. If Uttar Pradesh were a country, it would be sixth most populous country in the world. Sixth point, different crops in different regions. Different crops are grown in different regions of Uttar Pradesh. In northwest region, sugarcane, rice, maize, cotton, etc. are the main crops, and in southwest region, wheat, rice, mango are the main crops. In eastern Uttar Pradesh, wheat, rice, chili are the main crops. The state produces half of the total sugarcane of the country. This is why the state is called Sugar Cane Bowl of India. Seventh point, one of the largest economies in India. As in 2016, the nominal gross domestic product of Uttar Pradesh is estimated at 15.79 lakh crore or $225 billion. It is the most or fourth largest economy in the country after Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. In terms of purchasing power parity, it is the second largest economy in India after Maharashtra. Agriculture and services sector contribute most to the state's economy. Eighth point, it touches 9 states. Uttar Pradesh is only state which shares its border with 9 other regions: Uttarakhand and Himachal in northwest, Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan in west, Madhya Pradesh in south, Chhattisgarh in southeast, Bihar and Jharkhand in the east. It also shares its international border with the neighboring country Nepal. 9th, place of diverse languages. Hindi is the official language of the state. However, there are other languages spoken as per geographical location. The prominent languages spoken in the state are Awadhi, Awadh region of eastern UP, Bhojpuri, spoken in Bhojpuri region of eastern UP, Braj Bhasa, spoken in Braj region of western UP, Bundeli, Kannauji, and some other languages are prominent in the state. 10th point and the last point, different names through the last century. On 22 March 1902, the state was named as United Provinces of Agra and Oudh. In January 1921, the state was named as the United Provinces of British India. On 1 April 1937, the state was named as United Provinces. After independence of India, the name of the state was changed to Uttar Pradesh on 24 January 1950. On 9 November 2000, Uttarakhand was carved out of the state. These all were the point. So, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yukti Suvarna from class 10th A. Today I will tell you some interesting facts about state of Karnataka. The capital is Bengaluru. The state of Karnataka is one of the most prominent tourist hubs in India. Karnataka has 5 rivers free flowing through a single district. Karnataka is the largest coffee exporter. Karnataka is now the largest state in South India. Karnataka is the only manufacturer khadi flag in India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I am Kalyani Mandal from class 11. Under the competition of Know My State, I am going to tell you some important and interesting fact about Bihar. Fact number 1. home to a mathematic genius. Aryabhatta, who gave zero number to the world, nine planet theory and trigonometry rules, was from Bihar. Fact number 2, say no to violence. The idea of non-violence originated from Bihar around 2600 years ago. Fact number 3, Bihari culture. Chhath Puja is the important festival celebrated in Bihar which is devoted to Lord Surya and Chhathi Maiya. Fact number 4, Bihari cuisines. The mouth-watering and delicious litti chokha, chekwa and khwaja make you fan of Bihari cuisine. Fact number 5, Nalanda, the world's oldest university which is present in Bihar in the capital of Patna. Fact number 5, the backbone of Indian politics. You can't think of Indian politics without Bihar. As you know, the first president of India belonged to Bihar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
I am Janvi Giri of class 12th. I am here to present some facts of Madhya Pradesh in front of you. First, present day Madhya Pradesh is a combination of states of Madhya Bharat, Vidhya Pradesh and Bhopal. Pradesh is the largest reserve of timers. The Narmada is the oldest river in India and the largest river in Madhya Pradesh.
Respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends, I am Jagriti Shukla of class 12th, student of Kendra Vidyalaya ONGC Ankleshwar. I am here to tell you the most interesting fact about my state, and my state is Uttar Pradesh, and I am now also in Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, the city of Nawabs. So here the interesting fact about my state, that's it, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a land of culture, tradition, agriculture, festival, cuisines and tourist spots. There are so many national parks, wildlife sanctuary, historical place and massive forts and etc. Uttar Pradesh is a place of worship, scared ghats where millions of peoples are come to take bath every year. The place of holy rivers, Ganga, which is fertilizing the plains across the state. Not only Ganga, but Kashi Vishwanath, that is Lord Shiva of Varanasi, is also blessing millions of devotees every year. Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, which is top attraction not only the state but also in the country. Uttar Pradesh is a birthplace of gods. The kingdom of Kosala, one of the 16 Mahajanpadas, was located within a modern boundary of the Uttar Pradesh. Ayodhya, the capital of Kosala, was the place where Lord Rama was born. Another Mahajanpada, Mathura, was the place where Lord Krishna was born, who play an epic role in a Mahabharata. Uttar Pradesh is a place with the most powerful empires like Mughals, Mauryas, Mughal, Nand and many more. In Uttar Pradesh, a tree from heaven, the Parijat tree, is said to have brought from heaven by Lord Krishna. The flower of these trees changes their color. In India, the highest population is in Uttar Pradesh. It's across 200 millions. One of the largest economy in India is in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is one of the states that touches the 9 states. In Uttar Pradesh, many languages are spoken like Awadhi, Bhojpuri, Braj Bhasha, Bundeli, Kannauji, Urdu and etc. The most interesting fact is that the United Kingdom is not bigger than Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, rich of flora and fauna. In Uttar Pradesh, unique dance form and musics are found, like Kathak is originated from Uttar Pradesh and many more dance form is also originated from Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the place of legendary like Kabir Das, Soor Das, Amitabh Bachchan, Bismillah Khan, Nusrat Ali, Begum Akhtar and also many more. World largest gathering take place here. It's Kumbh Mela, and the most beautiful place where Prem Mandir in Vrindavan is a tourist place. Uttar Pradesh is a top of all state in tourism. Here we found the maximum number of political seats. Here we found the maximum number of prime minister. Here a city Samli with the highest LIC premiums. Varanasi, one of the world oldest city. State where first sermon of Gautam Buddha was delivered here. So at last I said only one thing, that यूपी नहीं देखा तो इंडिया नहीं.
Good morning. I'm Nisha of class 12 Commerce. Today, I'm going to tell some facts about the state from which I belong to. So, I belong to Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. So, here it is. The word Punjab is made from two Persian words. Panj means five and Ab means water. That's why Punjab is called as the land of five rivers. Punjab is also called as the granary of India. Chandigarh is known as the City Beautiful, and it is known for its well-designed infrastructure. According to the World Book of Records, the Golden Temple is most visited tourist place in the world. Punjab is famous for its folk dances such as Bhangra, Gidda, etc. Thank you and Sat Shri Akal.
Good evening. Today Kunal Patil is here to share some amazing facts of Maharashtra. First one. Maharashtra has the largest road network in India with a total road length of over 2,67,500 kilometers. The mysterious Lonar Lake. It is the only saline soda lake on the earth that was created when a meteor hit Earth almost 52,000 years ago. The houses in sunny Shingnapur have no doors. People believe that whoever tries to steal anything will face the wrath of God Shani Maharaj. The railway station of Nawapur is built in two states. One half is in Maharashtra and the other half is in Gujarat. Maharashtra has the largest proportion of taxpayers in India. Each house in Setpal village has a resting place for live cobras in the rafters of their ceilings. There has been no case of cobra bite in that village till date. Official term to describe what happens during rush hour in Mumbai. Mumbai locals were built to hold 1700 passengers, but they often carry 3 times that number in the rush hour. The concept of navy was introduced in India by Shivaji Maharaj. His admiral Kanoji Angre is regarded as the father of Indian Navy. Aurangabad is known as the city of gates. A total of 52 gates were built around this city in the medieval era, of which only 13 survive today. Our country's entire gold assets were kept in the Reserve Bank of India at Nagpur. It is believed that badminton was invented in Pune during the British rule. It was called as Pune or Pune after the town. The first train in Asia was started in Maharashtra between Mumbai and Thane on April 16, 1853. Dharavi is the second largest slum in Asia and is also one of the most densely populated areas on the earth. According to the legends, it was in Nashik that Lakshman cut off Suparnakha's nose. Hence it is called Nashik, a Sanskrit term for nose. 15th. Mumbai local trains carry 6 million people every day, which is equivalent to the entire population of Israel.